We are back here with some more Hyrule Warriors Age of Calamity. Continuing on with the main quest here, Relentless as a Waterfall. It should be over here in the Akala Citadel. Akala Citadel, my bad. And we're taking a motley crew here. We have Link, Urbosa, so taking one of the original champions, one of the discount champions. I took a Sidon.
Don't stand a chance of defeating them.
And then I took Koshia. It's kind of a wild card.
Our chances of rescue are slim to none. And it's likely the same for all of Hyrule.
So this citadel must have some importance.
Rule 1. The researcher's code is to never give up.
I mean, yeah, it's like the science place, but like, what more science are we trying to do right now?
Chances are highly.
Huh? You say so.
Report.
There's only 4 of us.
From the Western Waters.
From the Western Waters.
See that? What did I tell you?
Isn't Varuda to the south? Or isn't Zora's domain to the south?
With the help of those who had traveled from beyond time, the fated party fought with all of their strength to fend off the unending waves of guardians and monsters. Despite their efforts, Hyrule remained embroiled in a grueling battle.
Still don't know how
The soldiers stationed
Calamity came
within
back.
Hyrule Castle fled, seeking refuge in the east, in the impenetrable walls of Akala Citadel. As guardians swarmed the perimeter, they held out hope and waited for help to arrive.
So I'm guessing the citadel falls, because
Link and the others hurriedly made their way to the citadel.
it's not there in Breath of the Wild.
Meanwhile, having reclaimed Varuta, Mipha and Sidon faced the enemy directly, forging ahead to the tower.
Okay, so I guess yeah, we will be going with Varuda since we got Varudania and Naboris. So we'll probably get another turn at the other 2 divine beasts here.
Here we go.
Here we go. All right. I didn't know you could like ship go underwater. That's a new development. Alright. Oh wow, there's a shitload of enemies, man. Holy fuck. There's like some enemies over somewhere here. There you are. I see you guys. Oh, we just gotta head for the citadel. Alright, that's fine. The western road looks perilous, but it's our swiftest path to the citadel. Okay. Or there's a longer path. Let's take the shorter path? I don't know. Yeah, let's take the shorter path. Okay, let's take the shorter path. Just in terms of time, right? If we have a shorter path, like how hard can it really be to, you know, to miss based on that? Ow, fucks. Come here. Oh, you try to freaking hit me while I was in my rampage animation. Get out of here. Oh, now y'all can't mess with me here. I can't do shit here. There's like a one Octorok just flying past me. You see that? He's in the background. Wait, that attack didn't do shit, by the way. I don't know why that was. Okay, come on. But yeah, why is that attack like not doing anything at all? Oh my god, alright, fine. You win. I'll use my genocide attack. Oh, there's one fucking guy up there. I didn't reach yet. Okay, he looks like he's gone. I don't know how this one guardian survived my onslaught there. Alright. How do they freeze but they manage to like stay upright in the air? That is some bullshit right there. Oh, hello. Go away. Yeah, man, like, what? Hang in there, Varuto. One more push. I feel like I'm overly obsessed on, like, killing every enemy here. Even though, like, I just gotta get to the freaking Citadel. No need to be... Again, this attack doesn't do shit against these flying guardians, it seems like. Alright. One more here. Can I get to 4,000 KOs off this? No? Okay. There's like one dude right here. Get out of here. Get out of here. Oh, there's like more coming from the other path. Oh, fuck off. Not time for y'all. Gotta get to the Citadel. They can only hold it for 2 minutes. We're literally on a minute-by-minute basis right here. Cool. So again, don't know how we all got split up and 2 of us ended on a divine beast, and the other like 10 of us are just on the ground fighting one-on-one enemies. I don't know how that happened. That seems kind of ridiculous. Also, we have 4 divine beasts. Why are we only... We've freed all of them, right? So I don't know why we're only using 1 here. It's kind of strange. Alright, so now we're going to be on the ground here. Again, we have Link, Urbosa, Sidon, and Koshia. I always struggle with taking Link because it's like, Link feels like a cheat code. But if I'm taking like this many characters that I'm not confident in, I feel like at this point, like Impa, Urbosa, and maybe Koshia, and Rivali are the only characters I'm like very confident in. And the rest are like, you know. I'm like solidly confident with Durek. I haven't had enough time with Sidon yet. I've been horribly with him in a few side quests, but he's aight. I'm getting there with them. Look at our party, man. Look at our little line of warriors. It's getting big. Wonder if we'll get any more characters at this point. We're kind of like maxed out, right? Alright. On the ground. Let's go. Let's get it done. Oh, they are burning. See, again, why couldn't we have gotten a lift on the fucking beast? Nice, there we go. See? Oh, so that's some precision firing right there that they didn't take all of our heads off.
And we'll join you as soon as we can.
What? This is some Captain Marvel leaving in the middle of Endgame for unexplained reasons type shit.
Sister,
It's like, we have a big weapon. Let's take it with us.
we can do this.
Yeah, I know, Duke.
Right. Sidon, it's an honor to fight beside you. I'm so proud of the Zora you've become. Remember that.
I will.
Now it's time to focus
You know-
on the fight ahead. You're ready for this, right?
But like, he knows she's gonna die.
Of course, sister.
So, that must suck for him. Alright. Enemies, even within the Citadel. Everyone, we must hurry. Okay, we gotta rescue the allies in Aquila Citadel. Do we have to fight these fucking guardians, or leave the northern guardians for me? You and the others head for the Citadel. Okay. Alright. Okay, huge fucking map. Oh, this is the same map that we were on previously. Alright. So, gotta rescue all the allies. which are all inside that location. Any ally flees. Alright. So... Okay, I don't have my 4th dude. I don't have Sidon with me yet. I don't know what I'm supposed to be doing here. I guess what does send Link like? I don't know. At some point we'll have to circle back around, right? So I don't know if it's useful to keep like one dude just like out, but it's okay. We'll figure it out. Well, yeah. In the meantime, we'll send. Let's charge up real quick. All right. There you go. Feels kind of strange to like use Urbosa and like have attacks come off, but it doesn't do the lightning thing. Just felt kind of. Alright. Come through. Alright, are you gonna attack me or? Oh my god, okay. Come on. Wait, I thought they were gonna... I thought they were gonna take care of these guardians. Like, what happened to that shit? I like how he's still able to do like a spinny attack, like even without his legs. Like, what? There we go. Goodbye. Alright. Now, do I have a time limit here? I don't know if I do. Oh, a bunch of silver or white bocos. Stabby thing. Love that stabby thing. Alright, Hylian Captain. Feel free to help your boy out. Also, where the fuck is... Did I not move Link? Why is he not... Why is he just digging around? Alright. Let's have him come to me at least. Maybe that'll... If I change his target location, maybe he'll come running faster. I don't know. Also, wait, you know what? Actually, let's have Link go up here. Oh, what? Oh, what? When did they change? When did they change the locations? What the fuck? Alright. We'll have... Okay, so we'll have Maz go... No, you know what? We'll have Maz go all the long way around. To that spot. And then we'll have Link go yay. Alright, that's fucking ridiculous. Alright. Wait, I'm going the wrong way. Gotta be going this way. Yo, Maz, you got other shit to do. I just gave you an assignment. What are you doing? Alright. Alright. I don't even really know where I'm supposed to be going here. Everything in this like little area here, this little pocket, this tent, nothing. Capture the outpost. Okay. There'll be a chest here somewhere. All right, back we go. Why are there always like more? Oh my god! How did I take a hit? Why are there always more enemies here? Alright, alright, we'll send Urbosa there. Link has already made it here. feels like there's like explosions happening around me. Oh god. Alright, goodbye. That's 2 out of 4. Alright. While we continue to do this. Ah! Alright. Let's keep going down here. I'm sure there will be some, there'll be some over in these parts. There's a shitload of enemies, looks like. Oh, is there no way I can go past here? Oh, of course. There's some bullshit happening behind these gates. There's like a little guardian marker there, so I feel like I'd have to go there eventually. But not right now, I guess. Yep, there's no way to go here. Ugh, that's irritating. Alright. Okay, Maz is where he needs to be. So we will send a link up here. And then let's switch to... Bring it in, folks. Oh, there you are. I see you. I see you, fam. Come at me. That's alright. That's 3 for 3. Where are they gonna put a new checkpoint? Oh, the Hylian captain's injured. Fucking awesome. Alright, so... Alright, let's send you to deal with this guy for funsies. We already got 2 of us right here. And we'll switch here. Support Mipha's approach to the Hylian captain. Okay, she's like literally already here. What are we doing? Come on, guys. I thought you were on the Divine Beast. Where's... No wonder I'm not getting any Guardians killed. The Divine Beast just fucking Sidon's dicking around somewhere. It's ridiculous, guys. Come on. Alright, great. We're good. What now? What arbitrary task do you have here? If you could help my fellow soldiers in the Citadel, that's what we've been trying to do. Except we've been getting bogged down. Okay. Aid the allies at Oculus Citadel. Okay. So let's send Link up in here. And then, meanwhile, let's, oh god. I hate when they freaking put me with my back to the guy that I'm trying to kill. It's really irritating and inconvenient. Fire, oh, there's a fire guardian? Wait, there are elemental guardians? What is happening? What kind of bullshit? Alright. Okay, enough out of you, Maz. Alright, we'll send you to deal with this guardian. And then, Urbosa seems to be fucking... Nope, switch to you. Oh god. It's like a guardian that's on fire. Guardians typically don't like when they're on fire. I guess now they do. Come at me, fool. I got you. That's it right there. Fire Guardian, get out of here. Get the F out of here. Okay, we can throw some more Elemental Guardians my way. Aid the Hylian Captain. Where? Oh, he's like right here. Okay. Thought they're gonna send me to another ridiculous part of the map. Alright, let's make sure Link's coming with me. And... well, Maz can be outside, I don't care. There we go. Ooh, in one go of it. Nice. Good work. Good work, girlfriend. Alright. We have aided the captain. What can we do now?
Sure.
We're just destroying pillars in here. Oh, we're trying to retain the integrity of the building. Should I just keep going through, or... Oh, Guardian's gonna blow it up, huh? Everyone, please protect the Citadel entrance. I will go in and further and do what I can. Okay. Help Mehta relieve the soldiers protecting the Citadel. Okay, so we gotta go further in here. Alright. I would like to have Link follow me here, I guess. Get out of here. Oh, this isn't even the... This room doesn't even have a freaking captain in here. Way up here. Alright. Nice. Get him! It's been a while since I found a Korok. The silver moblin has begun an assault. Okay. Keep an eye on the health of the Hylian captain guarding this square? What? What are you talking about? Which Hylian captain? Where is the Hylian captain? Who the fuck knows? Oh, awesome. A black Hynix? Oh, I see. Okay, so there's another dude right there. Alright, so we'll send... I don't know what the fuck is going on. Okay, we'll send you to Mehta? Where's this Hylian captain that I'm supposed to protect? Whatever. Let's tie you to Mehta. Bro. What the fuck? Did he just like slide backwards? What kind of bullshit? The enemy has made it inside the plaza. What square? What health are you asking me to fucking look at? Oh, is that the health of the dude that Mehta healed? Alright, let's send you back here, I guess. Oh yeah, that's the alien captain. Okay. Oh my god. Fucking dumb.
I'll freeze you out.
Fool. It's nice that Urbosa's bomb launches her up. It's like a nice touch. Get him. Oh, what the heck? That didn't cripple him. There we go. That's more like it. Captain is in a tough battle. Okay, let me just get rid of this guy, right? And I'm gonna help you out, Cap. Alright, that was phenomenal. I fucking know. Alright, so let's send Urbosa to that captain, and then we'll switch out our forces. Which captain? What the fuck? What are you talking about? Which captain? Whose captain am I supposed to monitor? What? I'm so confused. Alright, whatever, fuck it. again with the fucking Zora Captain's in a tough battle. This is the Zora Captain, right? I'm just fucking standing right next to him. I think. Yeah. All right. So are we good or? Oh, so I see the Guardian that's coming through here. Okay, Maz. Or you know what? You could stay right there. Oh, that's the Hylian Captain guarding the square. I don't know who anyone is anymore. Okay. Oh shit. Tight fucking spaces. Can't see anything. I would like to hold on to my specials because I'm sure they're about to. Do we care about that enemy at this point? Or... Alright, they're all back on their feet. You can throw whatever tools you want. I'm about to get you. Nice. Try it again. Can't do the same thing twice in a row, Chief. Come on now. Aid Mipha's rescue of Robbie. Alright, sweet. Enemy has made it inside the plaza again. Alright. Real quick. Let's send our friends over here. We'll send Zelda, or not Zelda, Link there. We'll send Urbosa there. Come on. There we go, okay. Wait, what? Oh my god, I just freaking missed again. Annoying. See, my spinny attack is better than your fucking spinny attack. Go away. Asshole. Okay. Cool. No more enemies entering for now. So let's Mipha's somewhere fucking here. Where's Mipha? Lord. Okay. I can't navigate this fucking thing looking at the map. It's too complicated. Alright. Oh, Urbosa's already there. Yeah, Link, why aren't you fucking moving? Come on. Alright. What's happening? Okay. Mipha's here. We gotta go. Robbie should be right here. Okay. Boom. There we go. It opened. I'm not expecting it to open that easily. I feel something coming from nearby. Okay, it's gonna be Aster, huh? This incel out here. Sucking on people's souls. Oh, what is it gonna be? An Ice Guardian? A Blight Guardian? Can't be a Malice Guardian. They're already, like, by definition infected with Malice. That'd be silly. Okay. Oh my god, okay. Alright, I know you wanna be fucking taking... Oh god, what the fuck? Whoa. That is wild. That's a wild attack. Okay. Boom. You don't frighten me. Your scary attacks. Does Link just... Watch the Link right there on the left side. He just does like one hit and then he like retreats. Like a dick. What the heck? Get out of here, fool. Daruk has arrived. Okay. I can roll with that. Where's Daruk been, I guess, is a better question. Okay, do your stompy thing. Get out of here. Oh, it is called a Mouse Guardian. That's a stupid name. Alright. Oh, sorry, Daruk. Didn't leave any pickings for you, my friend. Daruk has broken through the enemy horde. Okay, what do I care? Okay, we gotta defeat all the enemies that are closing in on and rescue Robbie and their allies. Alright. Huh? So, okay, so what is happening here? Oh, there's just a guardian here. Alright, fine. You know what? We can just walk outside ourselves. Okay. Let's send Link to Zelda, I guess? And then Urbosa can... I don't know where she can go. She can go back outside too? Who knows? I'm like trying to freaking predict where the next thing will be. Yo, Daruk, there's a fucking thing right behind you. Have they? I'm like kind of holding them off from being inside the plaza, aren't I? Goodbye. No specials out here. Oh, an enemy has made it inside the plaza. Okay. Sorry, Daruk. You were looking behind me. You were like, this idiot, there's a fucking enemy behind him too. Why is he on my ass for this? Come on. Alright, so this should be it right here. I'm still wondering why I don't have sight on. Okay. Oh, he's defeated the Guardians. Okay, so why the fuck am I... Why don't I have sight on if Divine Beast Veruda's job is done here? Alright, yeah, let's switch to Link. Link, my boy. Oh god! Oh, okay. Whoa, what the fuck? Did Zelda just ram a metal box into his skull? I dig it. Okay. A horde of enemies have done something. Alright. So now... Oh, we gotta go outside? Okay. Oh, so there's 2 points of attack. Alright, so we'll send... Okay, let's send Urbosa out yay way, and then we'll send Maz out that way too. Alright, and then Link will be able to take care of these guys himself, I think. He thinks. Oh my god, holy shit. How am I supposed to defeat the Sky Guardians? Yo, what the fuck? Wait, how am I supposed to defeat these guys? I can now play as Daruk, I guess. Sure. Okay, I gotta... Oh my god. Oh, okay. The weak point doesn't take that much to get. And we got the arrow kill. Coolest kill. Okay, that knocked another brother out of the sky. Okay, only temporarily though. Oh. Huh? Oh, thanks, Baruta. There's a Wizrobe here for some reason. I like how I specifically asked for Sidon and he ends up being like the one character you can't play in this mission. Because he's busy doing other shit. Come on, okay. Nice, alright. What other enemies do we have to defeat? Okay, just those two, I guess. Oh, there's a outpost right here for some reason. Again, I don't understand how they like held the line for this long, but then there are like literally a million freaking enemies inside this citadel. Defies all logic. Come on. Show me your leader. Why does it wait till so freaking long? Oh, there you are. Ooh, just in time. Okay, we're good. You're in the clear. Alright. Alright, nice. And we got a nice heal. Okay. So now we should be able to return. Oh, and we can play as Durek. Okay. Let's actually play as Durek since we haven't played as him so far. Oh god. I like how it stasis like one after the other. That was cool. Let's go. He just like wipes off his nose first. Incredible. I don't think I ever noticed that part of it. Alright. Go away. Oh, we got like some real enemies out here. Come on. Again. That's the home run swing right there. Ow. There we go. Can't get me twice in a row with the same move. Close. Alright. Come on now, I can't see fucking shit. Oh, there's an electric Hinox behind him? Alright. I was about to say, I was gonna use my special here. But we'll save it for the big guy, the real big guy. Not this training big guy right here. Alright. Just get that snot off your nose, cuz. Very nice. Well done, Durek. You never miss a beat. I know. I know. Okay, let's for fun. Let's switch to Maz. What hit him there? It sure wasn't me. Alright, here we have three Maz specials. All charged up. Okay, let me make sure there's nothing else on the map. Yep, there's not. I panicked there, because I knew the third hit of that like creates some electricity or something. So I was like, alright, before I even have a chance of getting fucking trapped in that bullshit. Oh lord. Oh, okay, wait, he doesn't have the stasis weak point on that, only the regular Phoenix does for some reason. Whatever. Get him. That's a game, set, match right there, my friend. Everyone fall back to the Citadel! Oh wow, there's like a shitload of... Wait, there's treasure! I got the treasure! Head to the east of Akala Bridge. Okay, gotta go this way. Gotta fucking... I think everyone's going that way, but let's go. Let's send everyone that way, just in case. Ooh, apple. Hello.
Yeah.
All right. Blast them. Show me what you got, cannons. Show me why this is the backup citadel to Hyrule Castle here. Boom, boom, boom. I don't know how we're gonna get out though, right? Isn't that kind of? There's also like flying guardians, right? Isn't that a whole thing? Strike down the remaining enemies. Let's go down this cliff into the exercise yard. What? What the fuck? All right. Huh? I have. Oh, we can jump now down. Oh, I see. All right. All right. Well, let's jump all the way down. Advance halted. Wait, what? Yo. I took the jump, so y'all better fucking follow. Come on. Down we go. Alright. Oh, these are already like weakened guardians. Pre-weakened guardians. I dig it. Oh lord. Oh, they're all Malice guardians, but they're all weak AF. I guess from the blast? From that one blast? I don't freaking know. Oh no. Oh no, I thought he was almost done. Come on, get him. Right here, right here. Sick. Oh dang. Maz is like just handing out praise here. Alright, you know what? Let's just see if we can get rid of both of these guys here in one hit. Really? One of them survived that? Oh, come on, man. Get him. With this, we were able to defeat all the enemies. I'm so glad we succeeded in defending the Citadel. Sick.
Fantastic.
No, sister, the glory is yours. Alone, as expected. Without you, those soldiers would have perished. I don't know what to do with Robbie's voice. Thanks to everyone's hard work and the divine beast we received. My nerd voice for Robbie. That's the whole thing. Okay. I was expecting a final boss there. I was like saving up all my specials and I was gonna like converge like special, switch character. It was like when Yugi Yugi was dueling Pegasus and kept mind switching and just playing his best move. So that was gonna do. Okay. A little bit low on the clear times because we did do some optional clearing of the outposts. But I always feel better about that than trying to speed through a level, right? Let's enjoy it. Let's explore. Only got one Korok though. I'm sure there are like 3 Koroks hidden in that ginormous map. Where do we go from here though? We defended Akala Citadel, but it wasn't like a win. It was like more of a draw, right? We didn't lose one of our spots. Also, again, can't get over the fact that like we have 4 beasts. Oh, we don't even get any resolution there. All right, we have 4 beasts, but we only used 1. It's wild to me. Okay, so let's see what the next quest is over here. If they ever stop giving us side things to do. Is each step like thunder? Sure. At Fort Hateno. Okay, so I think we're just gonna go around reinforcing places. That seems to be the case. So probably do another area in like Hebra, another area like near Gerudo, something like that. I don't know. That was a fun little jaunt. So we'll pick it up here next time with more Hyrule Warriors: Age of Calamity.